Hi. Okay, we're gonna start the second example, and then we'll see how long this takes, and then I might do a third video for the third example, and then the fourth one I'll just record the assignment for you. Just get to it, and I think we'll do it that way so we don't have like a 40-minute video. Okay. All right. Here we go. Oh, sorry. That's like. Okay. All right. Here we go. So let's do the second example. All right. Our quadratic or trinomial is x squared plus 20x plus 36. Our a value is 1, our b value is negative 20, and our c value is 36, correct? So our a value is 1, right? Because it's always implied in mathematics and English, right? When you order, you're like, hey, can I get a grande caramel macchiato, right? You don't say 1. All right, b is negative 20, and c is positive 36, correct? So a is 1, b is negative 20, c is positive 36. Okay, let's construct our magic x. C value is on top, 36. B value, negative 20, is on the bottom, right? We're using this. Okay, 36 top, negative 20 on the bottom. We want to find all possible pairings that give us the product 36. And just going to be really, really basic. Okay, so what is 36? I need to look at this. Okay, divided by 1, right? 36. We'd be super extra. 1 times 36. Okay, what is 36 divided by 2? 18, right? Can you see it? 2 times 18 gives you the product 36. All right, 2 times 18. What is 36 divided by 3? 3 times 12. 3 times 12. What is 36 divided by 4? 9. 4 times 9. 36 divided by 5, right? We get fraction. It's a decimal. It's trash. Okay, what is 36 divided by 6? 6 and 6. Okay, once the numbers are very close together, that tells you that you are at the end of all possible pairs. So this is it. 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, 6 and 6. All right, one of these is the winner to here. The left and right of the magic X. All right, 36 is positive, because see, positive 36. I just wrote the 36. We just wrote the 36 because it is implied that it is positive. All right, so that means in order to get a positive product, your numbers are either both positive, because that issues a positive, or a negative times a negative gives me a positive. All right, so which one is it? 20 is negative. And because 20 is negative, right? Then that means right. Okay, then that means that we're going to end up getting negative times negative is equal to positive, right? I had to solve the problem in my head right now. I thought I made a mistake, but I didn't. It's solvable. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, so negative times negative is a positive. Okay, so now we're going to look at our negative 20. Because our b value is negative, it's a summation of these two numbers. If this number is negative, then that means they're both going to be negative, because you can't go plus 3 plus 5 and get a negative 8. They're both positive. And so we're going to end up having a product of 2 negatives. They're both going to be negative. Okay, right? All right, so here we go. Let's start going through the numbers, and if we're going to end up adding them. So 1 plus 36 gives me 37, right? That is not 20. We're going to skip that one because that's the answer. Okay, 3 plus 12 gives me 15. That's not 20. 4 plus 9 gives me 13, right? That's what it sums to. Nope. 6 and 6, 12, nope. Okay, 2 and 18. I should have moved this over because this one's actually my winner. Okay, 2 times 18 gives me 36. 2 plus 18 gives me 20. So this is our winner. But now we're going to apply the appropriate signs, right? Okay. So instead of it being positive 2 and positive 18, it will be negative 2 and negative 18. And so check it on the calculator. Negative 2 times negative 18 gives me positive 36, right? Okay, so now try the other. Negative 2 minus 18, negative 20. And so it satisfies the product of the C value, which is 36, and it satisfies the summation of the B value, which is negative 20. And so these are our factors, right? Okay, so if we rewrite it in factored form, it will be x minus 2, x minus 18. Sorry. And that is our factored form, correct? Okay, so let's go to our third example. All right, our A value is 1, our B value is negative 14, and our C value is negative 51. All right, so let's construct our magic x. The C value is negative 51. The B value is negative 14. So here we go. Let's find all possibilities. All right, 51 divided by 1. 1 and 51. All right, so this one, I think there's only one pair, actually, or 2 pairs. 51 divided by 2. Nope. 51 divided by 3. 3 and 17. And that's pretty much it. That's all you're going to get. How do I know that? 3 is a prime, 17 is a prime. That's it. You're not going to get anything else. You can't break this down anymore. If you kind of understand the factor tree, this is it. This is all you're going to get. Okay, so 3, 17, and that's actually going to be our winner. Okay, but let's look at our signs. Let's verify. All right, your product is negative 51. If your product is negative, that means one number is positive and one is negative to issue us a product that is negative. Okay, so that means one of these will be positive and one will be negative, right? All right, but now look at your B value. My B value is negative 14. If my B value is negative, that means the difference, meaning after you subtract the values, you end up with leftover that is negative. So that means the negative integer is going to be the bigger number. I can't fit bigger, so we're going to stay there. And then the smaller one will be positive, and we'll check with the calculator. Okay, so we're subtracting here. So what's 51 minus 1? That gives me 50. That is not 14. What is 17 take away 3? 14. That is your winner. So 3 and 17, but we said 17 has to be the bigger number. 3 is the smaller one. And so double check with a calculator. 3, negative 17, right? So what is 3 times negative 17? So I'm just putting these two numbers in the calculator to verify. 3 times negative 16 is negative 51. There's my product. And then 3 minus 17, I'm trying to squeeze this little space, is negative 14, and there is my difference. And so these two are my factors, right? Okay, so factored form, that's what the FF stands for. So if we rewrite the quadratic from expanded form to factored form, right, which is just a product of two binomials, I would get x plus 3, x minus 17 is equal to 0. There you go. Correct? Okay, I'm going to start a new video, go over the zero product property, and then of course we'll have the assignments.